Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I almost didn't film today. I've been so focused on the build and the hustle that I forgot to just be. No camera pressure, no analytics, no deep lesson. Just me and the ocean. And much needed rest challenge. This is day 43. Hi, I'm Baby, and today happens to be a beach day. Alright, so I have to cross the sea. Oh my god. Yeah. The 2 days of rebuilding my life has been a lot, and today I realized that not every single day needs a big takeaway. Sometimes the most important productive thing you can do is just show up for yourself quietly. No agenda, no to-do list, just presence. I was looking at the waves and realized the ocean doesn't even care how many videos this video gets. It doesn't care if I have been consistent or if I'm behind schedule. It just show up every single day. And honestly, that is the exact energy I needed to borrow today. So, if you've been pushing yourself hard lately, whether you are rebuilding, working, or just trying to keep it all together, this is your permission to just breathe. We aren't quitting. We aren't even slowing down permanently. We're just resetting so we can come back stronger tomorrow. I'm Baby, rebuilding my life, and today that happens to involve a lot of sun and a very happy heart. Yeah. So I got a friend at the beach today. It was like, yo, I would like to take pictures with you. I'm like, what do you mean? Okay, that's cool.